Animal tag is a fun game. As they play, young runners learn to control their bodies, the first step toward efficient running. And because animal tag requires constant movement, agility, and coordination, it's great for developing overall fitness and fundamental athletic skills. Animal tag works anytime, but it's ideal for engaging your runners during the last 10 to 15 minutes of your running sessions. We suggest keeping the playing space small to encourage faster, more challenging games. The ideal space depends on your number of players, but typically a 20 by 20 foot area works well for elementary school kids. Try a 30 by 30 foot space for middle schoolers. You may also want some cones to mark the boundaries of the playing area. Start the game by calling one of your runners "it" and naming an animal to imitate. All players must then move like that animal. The player who's "it" tries to tag as many players as he or she can before a new "it" and a new animal are chosen. Tagged players, players who step out of bounds, or players who forget to move like the animal are out and should wait on the sidelines until the next round. Once a new player is "it" and a new animal is named, all players return to play. Remember, the game is most fun when everyone sticks to their animal running form.
We are kangaroos, and I am it. Come on, you guys, you're making this hard. We are now dogs, and yes, Kamari is it. Mariella is it, and we are birds. We are soaring, guys.
Coaches should keep the game fast-paced so that everyone gets a lot of exercise. Call a new "it" and animal every 15 to 20 seconds and make sure everyone has a chance to be "it."
Yeah, we're like eagles, guys. Thank you. We are now crabs, and Amber is it. We are crabs. It's not easy. Ha ha ha!